Mix all the ingredients in a food processor or in a large bowl. To cook the butter, you will need a steamer, a basin with water, a large tray, a spatula, an oil, and a couple of lanera. Put oil inside so the dough won't stick. Heat up your steamer. Pour some mixtures inside the lanera and place it inside the steamer for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, prepare another mixture. Remove them and place it on a basin with water and replace it with the uncooked mixture. Using a spatula, peel off those cooked dough. Using a pizza cutter, cut the dough in small pieces. Heat the oil for about 350 Fahrenheit and fry a couple of risotto. Remove them as soon as they have flowed. If you like my video, gives me a thumbs up and subscribe to my other YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.